Hi. This is also an important question for the mid-one examination actually, and a very important question for the SEM 2. And write a C program to perform multiplication of two matrices. So we have to multiply two matrices and we have to display the result in another matrix. Okay. So here we have to start the program with the hash include stereo.h int main function. Okay. Here we are taking a three matrices like M1, M2 and MUL, means first matrix, second matrix and result matrix. First matrix of maximum row size is 12 and column size is 12, means up to 12 rows 12 columns this program is applicable. Okay, for accessing that I, j, k we are taking the integers m, and for first matrix rows first matrix column, second matrix row second matrix columns. So here first we are starting the program. Printf enter the number of rows and columns of first matrix. First matrix యొక్క rows columns ని మీరు display చేయాలి between 1 and 12, because I gave the maximum size as 12 rows and 12 columns. Between 1 and 12 you have to specify the rows and columns. So those which you are given through the keyboard, that must be stored in m and n. That is, we have to read that %d m n. So rows is stored in m, columns is stored in n. Okay, next printf under the number of rows and columns of second matrix. So second matrix you will specify the second matrix rows and second matrix columns, that must be stored in p and q. So for performing the multiplication of two matrices, we have to know the rule that first matrix columns must be equal to the second matrix rows. If that is satisfied, you can perform the multiplication of two matrices, or else you cannot perform the multiplication of two matrices. First, we are giving the condition like that. If n is equals to p, because n is the columns of first matrix and p is the rows of the second matrix. If the n is equal to p, you can perform the multiplication of two matrices. We can start the program, or else we can end that program. Is it or not? So first only we are checking the condition. So printf enter the elements of first matrix. For that we are taking for I is equals to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. It is the rows. Okay, m is the row. And next, further specifying the columns, we are taking another loop, j is equals to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. We are reading the elements %ld matrices 1 I j, because m1 0 0. First element I is equals to 0, j is equals to 0, 0, 0. First element is stored in m1 0 0. After that j is incremented and it checks the condition, and next element will be stored m1 0 1. Okay. Next, based on the rows and columns which you give, that output will be depends. So if you give 2 rows, okay, 3 columns, first element will be stored in 0 0, second element 0 1, third element 0 2, and next 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 2. So 6 elements, 2 3s are 6 elements you have to give. 6 elements will be stored in a matrix format like this. So next, printf enter the elements of second matrix. We have to specify the second matrix, same, but second matrix rows is p, columns are q. So I less than p, j less than q. You have to give this condition, and you have to read the elements m2 of I and j. Now up to reading the elements into the matrices we just done. Okay, now we have to perform the multiplication of two matrices. Here the resultant matrix is, okay, rows we are taking from first, okay, columns from the next. So for I is equals to 0, I less than m, okay, j plus plus. For j is equals to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. These are the loops which specifies the resultant matrix. Because how you perform the matrix, Nana? Like this. Okay, if you given 1 2 2 3 1 2 1 1 like this, this rows must be columns. Is it or not? Rows, columns. So because of that, row, column. Okay, so I2 I1 1. So you have to give 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Is it or not? So loop has to continue like this. And next, this row only, this column, next column 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Okay, next this one, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. Next 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Like this you have to specify, and the resultant matrix must be 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, like this. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 to 4. Okay, 2 and 2, 3. How much? 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. The resultant matrix is like this. Okay, just for condition I am checking how to perform. Okay, so first we are taking this row, first row, that is first matrix rows and second matrix column. For that I is equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, j is equal to 0, j less than q, I j plus plus. And here first resultant matrix must be given. First we initialize it to I j is equal to 0, means first 0 0 must be 0. So okay, next is for we are taking the condition because this row must be multiplied with the columns, is it or not? For specifying that, again we are taking the k is equals to 0, k less than p means first rows and k plus plus. Here not seen here, it is be given mul, is it or not? Mul ij is equals to mul ij plus m1 ik into m2 kj. Okay, so resultant matrix we gave mul. Mul 0 0 is equals to mul 0 0 plus matrix 1 0 k, here also 0. Okay, I k into m2 matrix is k j. This is the main logic Nana for multiplication of two matrices. Okay, so you have to know this statement. Okay, ij is equals to means 0 0 is equals to, first we are taking because first row second columns, is it second matrix యొక్క columns తీసుకుంటున్నాం. So first we have to give first mul 0 0, here we have to plus with first matrix rows second matrix యొక్క columns, ఇవి ఇంటూ చేసి ప్లస్ చేయాలి కదా. సో దానికోసం ఈ లాజిక్ మనం తీసుకున్నాం. సో నెక్స్ట్ we are displaying the result in a continuation format. Okay, this is for the next line and we are closing the if condition. Here this is for loop for this and this is for if condition. After that else condition. Okay, printf, if it is not satisfied, if n is not equal to p, multiplication is not possible. You have to display multiplication is not possible because int main we gave return 0, close. So how the output will be? Enter the number of rows and columns of first matrix. You are given 2 3, means 2 rows 3 columns. Next enter the number of rows and columns of second matrix, 3 rows 2 columns. So here the columns are equal to the rows of second matrix, so multiplication is possible. So next enter the elements of first matrix, means you given 1 2 3 4 5 6, and next enter the elements of second matrix, means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now the resultant matrix is, okay, the resultant matrix means if you perform this multiplication means, okay, 2 rows and 3 columns, is it or not? 2 rows 1 2 3 4 5 6, is it or not? Next one 3 rows 2 columns 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. Okay, now we have to take the rows and the columns, is it or not? 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5, how much Nana? 1. Okay, next 3 2s are 6 plus 5 3s are 15, how much? 16 plus 6 is 22, like this. 22 will be displayed like this. You have to perform, means it is only for the first element. Now you can continue for the second element, third element, fourth element. Okay, this is how we perform the multiplication of two matrices. This is very important question. Okay, just go through it now. Okay, thank you.